Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Arlington, Texas, and we're looking at the area that we put a patch on. The humidity level is still extremely high, but there is no dehumidifier in the room. So we can assume that the walls in this general area are still sweating. But if we look at the area that we put a patch on, you can see the area that wasn't. You see this area? See how dry it is over here? It sucked literally the water out. But due to the fact that we're at the bottom of the structure, we know on the outside of this wall, it is wet. We're down here near the footer. No matter whatever type of drain system they believe is gonna work 100%, you're still gonna have moisture coming through the wall. And you can see where now it's white up around the top. This is crystallization. That's where the thicker coat is. We had to seal around these extra pins, because that's where most of the water looked like it was trying to penetrate through. And you can see the white. Those are the crystals forming, and it's sucking out the wall. Now, they had an area, it's been raining for the last couple of days, so they opened up another spot on the wall. With no dehumidifiers, your wall's gonna be sweating a little bit. And you will be able to see right at the very top, it's already drying out right here. This was a little bit of sweat earlier this morning, but we opened up another spot of the wall just to double check. We'll move to the other side of the building, and you will notice we opened up a spot. It looked like it was sweating, but as you can see now, you can see what it looks like. See how dry it is? You see those white marks up against the wall? Now, some people would say with this beam hitting it, it scratched off the waterproofing, but it doesn't, because this waterproofing is going to penetrate the entire wall, and it'll slightly spread. See those scratch marks? It'll spread through, so there's no touch-up needed. And you can see how dry it is, even going down the sides. See it? It's crystalline waterproofing. I don't know why anybody else would use something different.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.